Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedgen Lee with a sharing on information on what I think regarding the miners, the Bitcoin miners. For over a year now, I had been telling members at Hedgen.com to invest heavily, especially back a year ago, in the Bitcoin miners using IRA or traditional investment accounts. These are publicly traded companies. Here's an example, at least from a fractal perspective, for Mara. You can see how the left head and the right for the inverse. Head and shoulders back in the prior bull market just shot it to the upside. We're having the same repeat here. I think from a weeks to months, few months perspective, more likely on the weekly, on the number of weeks, they will be dead ahead, all-time new highs. That means it'll exceed the 89 of the prior bull market and probably go into the well into the triple digits. So this is what I had also shared with members. You can see the smaller inverse head and shoulders, but look at this huge inverse head and shoulders. They're not exactly that very proportional. But if this does play out, we'll be not in the triple, but quadro digits, thousands. You have to understand that Mara, Hut, and Riot, these companies hold quite a bit of Bitcoins in their purses. And as the valuation of Bitcoin rises, so will the valuation of these stocks rise in multiples of it. I believe these miners behave as if they are 10x leveraged instruments on both the up and the downside. Here's Hut 8, one of the laggards, but it holds over 9,200 Bitcoins. If and should, not if should, but when Bitcoin rises to the six figures, you can just imagine and calculate that valuation and the reflection it'll have on this. I call it the laggard because it hasn't finished its inverse head and shoulders. And this will rise, likely also, to triple digits. We got into these miners back a year ago. Many members have not six figures, but seven figures in their retirement accounts. Give us a try at hedging.com. Have a good day.